The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. To Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:15 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Midway Airport, or 7 nautical miles southwest of 31st Street Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher waves. Locations in Texas include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Harbor, Marina Shores Avenue Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Cameron Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Usable Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Nothing but SMWs.
Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 3:30 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe thunderstorm was located over Marionette Park. Moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Blue Island, Munster, and Billiken. This includes Purdue University Northwest Hammond, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, South Suburban College, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winthrop Harbor to near Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted. Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, West Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:30 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sauk Village or over Steger, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Chicago Heights. Gary. Munster, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Seeger. Indiana. This includes Indiana Motor Speedway and Prairie State College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern DuPage County in north central Illinois, Kane County in north At 4:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near General to Waterman, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Genoa, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Green Grove, and Gilbert, including the following interstates. Interstate 88 between mile markers 91 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Wabasee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor to 7 nautical miles southeast of Elgin to near Aurora, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Never mind, we have a double header. What's this?
SVR.
Northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oswego, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Naperville around 5:45 p.m. Warrenville around 5:50 p.m. Plainfield around 5:55 p.m. Bolingbrook, Romeoville, and Lyle around 6 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 260 and 262. Interstate 88 between mile markers 114 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Palatine to near Carroll Stream to near Aurora, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact hazard. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect Arlington, Shelburne, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, and Carroll Stream. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palos Hills to Homer Glen to near New Lenox, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Erie to their Creek Moments, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Oops.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. gusts. Source,
This might be
radar
hidden for me.
indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, and Park Forest. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Tennis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball.
Yeah, that is.
University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Knew the flash flood time was coming.
In Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour across central and southern Cook County. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen in southwest Cook County. All occurring within 30 minutes. All amounts up to 2 inches are possible with these storms. In the afternoon. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Cicero, Irwin, Finley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrison Beaver Crib to near Gary to 17 nautical miles south of Indiana Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms. Immediately as gusty wind and high waves are expected.
Porter County. KGY is going up to 1050 hertz as well. It's hurting my ears.
Northwestern Indiana, northwestern Indiana, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hamilton to 12.6 miles east of Grand Park, moving at 35 miles per hour. 35 miles, 70 miles. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes.
Possible.
Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Chesterton, Hebron,
Probably go outside a bit to see this.
Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Winfield, New Chicago, Counts, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Wheeler and Dune Acres, including the following along the interstates. Mile markers 13 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 19. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms. And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your
Can't really see it in this angle.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central.